What's up everyone? Today, we're diving into a full review of the Tecno Spark Go 1. So, is this phone a bang for your buck? Stick around and find out. I've been using this phone for a few weeks now, and even though it's only powered by the Unisoc T615 with 4GB of RAM, my experience has been pretty solid so far. Browsing on this phone is smooth enough as long as you've got good internet reception. I rarely encountered any loading issues while browsing websites, and navigating through the phone was pretty seamless thanks to the Android Go Edition software. And oh, the fingerprint scanner? Surprisingly good, and I had zero issues unlocking the phone. Now, I know screen is just 720p but with 120Hz refresh rate, and for this price range, watching movies and browsing your favorite content is still decent, and I have no complaints there. Let's talk camera performance. Recording video is okay as long as you've got decent lighting. The 13 megapixels rear camera isn't anything fancy, but for the price, it gets the job done. Check out this photo. It captured some solid details, even in the next one. While it's lacking in quality, it makes up for it with good saturation and vibrancy. For indoor shots, though it's hit or miss depending on the lighting, like in this example, the photo came out dim and a bit blurry, when it really shouldn't have. And in this shot, the camera got overwhelmed by the lighting, so you'll need to adjust the exposure to get better result. For outdoor shots, it's not the best at capturing detail, but it does compensate with sharpness. Here's another example. But when it comes to the night shots, it's not really worth trying, even with some decent lighting. The camera struggles to get a good photo. Here's an example of what I mean. Front camera time. The 8 megapixel lens does alright, but you really need to have good lighting for selfies. And when it comes to videos, just make sure you're not shooting against the light if you want decent contrast. As for videos at night, well, you get what you pay for. This phone goes for 4,299 pesos at the time of this recording, so you can't really ask for more. Now on to gaming. With the Unisoc T615 and Mali G57 MP1 GPU paired with 4GB of RAM, playing Mobile Legends on high settings was surprisingly smooth, no lag or frame drops, but if you crank it up to Ultra, that's when the phone starts heating up. So I'd recommend keeping it on high for the sweet spot. For Call of Duty Mobile, I played on low graphics and medium frame rate, and the phone handled it well without overheating. Lastly, PUBG Mobile was set to balance graphics and the medium frame rate. Again, no major issues, though rendering trees and building was a bit slow. Overall, if you're after a budget phone that can handle games like Mobile Legends, Call of Duty Mobile, and PUBG Mobile without too many issues, the Tecno Spark Go 1 is worth considering. Just don't expect too much from the camera, but hey, it works. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Until next time.